Hausa lovers, welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel where learning Hausa language is fun. Today's lesson is on how to order food and drinks in Hausa. Let's begin. At a restaurant, customer, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Waiter, wa alaikum assalam, barka da zuwa, me zaka ci? Welcome, what would you like to eat? Customer, ina so in ga jerin abinci don Allah. I want to see the food menu, please. Waiter, gashi nan, here it is. Customer, wane irin abinci kuke da shi yau? What kind of food do you have today? Waiter, muna da tuwo da miyar kuka, jollof rice, fried rice da kuma pepper soup. We have tuwo and kuka soup, jollof rice, fried rice, and pepper soup. Customer, to, zan ɗauki fried rice da kaza. Okay, I will have fried rice with chicken. Waiter, to, kuma me za ka sha? Okay, and what would you drink? Customer, ina so in sha zobo. I want to drink zobo. Waiter, za mu kawo maka yanzun nan. All right, we'll bring it immediately. This is a common polite ordering style. You can replace fried rice or zobo with anything you want. Now, at a street food vendor, me abinci a titi. This is simple Hausa, quick transactions and common street expressions. Customer, sannu me nama. Hello meat seller. Vendor, sannu me zan baki. Hello, what should I give you? Customer, ina son suya na 200. I want suya was 200 naira. Vendor, to, da yaji ko babu? Okay, with pepper or no pepper? Customer, ka sa yaji kaɗan. Yes, put a little pepper. Vendor, gashi, here you go. Customer, na gode, ga kuɗin. Thank you, here is the money. Vendor, Allah ya saka. May God reward you. Customer, Amin, sai anjima. Amen, see you later. Street food conversations are short, friendly, and very direct. Now, at a cafe, ordering drinks and snacks. Customer, barka, ina son in yi order. Hello, I want to make an order. Cafe attendant, barka dai, me kake so? Hi, what would you like? Customer, ina son kofi mai madara. I want coffee with milk. Attendant, me sanyi ko me zafi? Do you want it cold or hot? Customer, me zafi dan Allah. Hot please. Attendant, kuma akwai snacks. Muna da pop-pop, meat pie da cupcakes. We also have snacks, pop-pop, meat pie and cupcakes. Customer, to, zan ɗauki meat pie ɗaya. Okay, I'll take 1 meat pie. Attendant, to, anan zaka zauna ko zaka tafi da shi? Will you eat here or take it away? Customer, zan tafi da shi. I will take it away. Attendant, to, za mu shirya miki su. We'll prepare it for you. And that is how you order food and drinks in Hausa at a restaurant, street vendor, and at a cafe. I hope you enjoy the lesson. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. See Anjima.